this is how you should do pedestrian, and what do you call this, pavement for the pedestrian. Hindi yung isang tao lang ang kasya. In the Philippines, the pedestrian is this wide. Ito lang.
With post stuck in the middle.
Tapos, lalakad kang ganyan, may poste na doon. Sa kalsada ka nadadaan, tapos sasagasaan ka. Buisit. Tapos, may imburnal, bukas ang imburnal. Walang ilaw sa gabi, nag-shoot ka na sa imburnal.
Steps down for wheelchair access.
Yeah, ito, wheelchair access. Sa Pilipinas, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Stay still, don't scare him. I need to take a picture as well.
Come on.
Yes. Okay. If I say move, it's move.
Just one click, man.
Two of them. You ring it.
That one is really nice color. Na all. Para
Green parrots.
sa Pilipinas, we call this Texas. Texas. Ito pala siya. Anagaduri chicken.
And the feathers. And emu oil is used in the pharmaceutical industry.
Oh, really?
It's the second biggest bird on the planet.
Next to ostrich?
Yeah.
They look like dinosaur. These, charat. Oh, cute! Oh, cute!
Apa khabar? Ada orang Malaysia? Okey. Kabar baik. Bagus. Okey. Alright, so my name is Rizwan and I'm your host for today. Okay, so a little information here about KL Bird Park. Okay, our place has started our operation since 15 February 1991. Good area here. Thank you. And Mr. Right hand. W-E-L-C-O-N-E. Welcome. So Ariel just welcome everyone to the bird show today. Selamat datang ya, okay? Big hand to Coco here, okay? Thank you, Mr. Mo, our trainer. Okay, right now everybody, how about we have a little chat with Coco? Kita nak berborak dengan Coco sikit, boleh? Boleh Coco? Nama dia Coco ya. Baik, Coco. Coco, as you can see, just say hello ya. Very friendly bird, right? Okay. Okay, so Coco just say hello. Okay, so Coco, over here you can see we have also a lot of pretty ladies. Pretty ladies. How about you say hi?
Hi!
See? Coco say hi to all ladies. Like this parrot. Guys, this is Eden, yeah? Okay, the male and the parrot. Okay, Eden, ready? Over there. See, our volunteer. Okay, well done, Eden. Nice trying, yeah? So, for your information, Eden is the male Atlantis parrot, burung Atlantis jantan, yeah? Thank you so much. Come on, a big hand to volunteer there. Thank you, sir. Well done, okay? So Atlantis parrot. Okay, yes, Zizu. See?
That's him.
Across the leg, Zizu, yeah? Okay, guys, shortly Zizu will fly straight here, okay, and landing over there. See? So everyone in the middle just relax and do not raise your hand. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, let's wait for Zizu, yeah? Zizu coming. Very good, Zizu, well done. So for your information, Zizu is a green wing macaw, yeah? Guys, Zizu here. I'd like to show you something, yeah? Which is Zizu will be dancing, menari.
It's big.
So let's dance together with Zizu, okay? Jom menari bersama Zizu. Okay, before that, we have a music, please. Music ready. Okay guys, shall we clap our hands together? Let's try one more time. Come on, Zizu, continue, Zizu. Okay, come on, clap. Our blue and gold, Marco. Okay, Popeye. Very nice name, Popeye, like a cartoon. Okay. So right now, guys, Popeye will spell a word, name of bird, perkataan, ya, nama burung. So we are going to show you 3 pictures of birds. So guys, you guys need to vote. Sila undi, ya, which picture that you like. Okay. Alright, let's start with the first one. Macaw. Okay, anybody like macaw? You can raise your hand. How many? Okay, about maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30. Okay, next, stork. How many like stork? Less, maybe around 10, 15, 15. Okay, last one. Eagle. Oh, wow. I think eagle has more. Okay, let's go with eagle, majority, eagle. Okay, so now, eagle. The word is eagle. Come on. Are you ready? Okay, relax your mind. Next. Okay, G. Yes, correct. It's one of the letter. Not in particular order. Okay, random. Okay, A. Well done. Good job. Popeye. So far, so good. Come on, continue. You can do it. X. L. All right. Good. So one more to go. Last one, Popeye. Eagle. Yeah! Wow, well done, Popeye. Good job. Thank you so much. Okay, the word is eagle. Well done. Give a big hand to Popeye. Thank you, Popeye. Tommy, our blue and gold marker. Big hand to Tommy. Peserta pertama Tommy. Okay, and the other one, please welcome once again, Popeye. Big hand to Popeye. All right. So now, everybody, are you guys ready? Okay? But before we start the race, I need the cheerleaders, supporters. Yellow side. Remember your birds, So who will win the measure?
Popeye, go!
Okay, so cheerleaders, everyone, ready? Let's start. Ayoma!
Popeye, go!
And go!
Popeye, ang bagal mo naman, Popeye! Popeye!
What a race, yeah?
Ang bilis ni
Okay,
Tommy!
so who's the winner? Team Tommy! Very happy. Baik. Okay, Tommy will find the dice inside one of the bowl. Okay, dia akan cari dadu di dalam mangkuk kosong. So Tommy, are you ready? Come on, focus please. Okay, focus. Remember where is the dice?
He will find
Okay,
it!
let's guess together. Yeah, where is it? Okay, where is it, Tommy? Yeah! Tommy, good job, bravo. Okay, one more time, please. One more time, Mr. Han. Okay. But how about you spin the ball a bit faster this time? Okay, this time faster, laju. Okay. Okay, Tommy, boleh Tommy? Focus sekali lagi. Okay, Tommy, relax saja dulu. Okay, let us see. Come on, one more time, faster, faster. Okay.
Go, Tommy!
Very confusing, Almost look the same. Okay, I forgot already, Tommy. I'm sorry. It's up to you now. Where is the dice here? Let us see. Okay, come on. Yeah! Well done, Tommy. Good job.
Galing ni
Wow, you are
Tommy!
very good, Good vision. Good eyesight. Okay. Okay. We actually can identify their gender through the color of their eyes. Males have dark brown eyes, and females have red eyes. Okay? And what's that, Julie? Oh, piece of apple, very delicious. Okay. Alright, thank you, Julie. Well done. Come on, give a hand to Julie there. Thank you. Bravo. Okay, let's continue, guys. So, for the next session, I have something here. Can you guess what is it? A dustbin. Okay. Cute.
It's like
It's not
Tommy.
for me. This is cute. Cute is a very hardworking bird in Java Park, can ride the cleanliness or what? Okay. Can you show them please, cute? How look at the rubbish here, okay, the first one. Put in there, yes, well done, Q, good job. Bravo. So this is good example, if the parent can do this, also can we, so please keep our environment clean, okay? Sila jaga kebersihan. Excellent! Nothing hand to Q, our blue and gold, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, maybe the eagle hiding somewhere around here. Okay, Mr. Mo, please call the eagle. Where is the eagle? Let me call the eagle. Okay, please welcome Pucky.
Where is it?
Where's Pucky? Over there. See? That's the eagle. Oh, okay. So this relax, the one. So Pucky will be just flying around here. Just relax and stay calm. Thank you. Okay. Okay, for your information, Pucky is a Brahminic kind, which is also known as a red-backed sea eagle. Lang merah, okay? And this eagle, they are native to the region of South Asia, such as India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. And the distribution can reach Southeast Asia, such as Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia, okay? Alright, so normally this eagle, they are living near mangrove, mangrove near sea, which is they are hunting fish as their main fuel. On my left side is Mr. Raihan with Paki. And my name is Ridwan. Thank you for coming to Gilbert Park. Have a nice day and bye-bye.
Sorry.